What's up, everybody? Wrestlenook here, and I hope you're all doing well. Hey, guess what I got in the mail today? An eBay mail call. That's right, I got some stuff from eBay today, and I'm very excited to see what it is. So join me, won't you? All right. All right, everybody, here's the item from eBay. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Looks like we got some netting here. Nice. And when I open this up, we've got a Jake Roberts Hasbro. Let's see, does the arm still work? Hey, sweet. Awesome. Look at that. Seen some better days, but nothing I can't fix up. As long as the decals are good and the deco is all right, we're golden. Nice. Who else did we get? Sweet. We got the Ultimate Warrior. I hope his arms still work. Let's see. Take a look there. Not too bad. It's got all his fingers. That's good. That's good. Nice tight joints. Get the feet. Wild. Who else did we get? Oh, nice. The hot rod. Very cool. Whoop. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Very nice. And last but not least, oh, got Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Very cool. Oh, the action features are still good. Face is a little banged up, but that's okay. This is a great addition to my collection. Oh man, I'm so glad I finally got some Hasbros. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.